Welcome to my workshop. In this video, I will show you a simple way to make such a lovely pattern on your Easter eggs. I've dissolved some thick dye of several colors, prepared the tray for drying, and we're good to start. Take a napkin or a paper towel and wrap it around your egg like this. The more wrinkles you get, the better. I fix it with a bracelet band and send it off to the tray. Wrap all of the eggs you're going to color the same way. And now we're getting to the coloring process. Use an eyedropper or a Q-tip to apply the dye on the wrapped eggs like this. Have fun with it. Mix colors, make spots of any size. This process is quite fast. Keep on doing it until the whole napkin is covered in dye. Once it's ready, tighten up the end of the napkin. You can even place it under the egg so it doesn't untwine, and leave the eggs alone for the time needed for your dye to work. And here comes the most interesting part. Unfold the eggs and be amazed by each new design you've got. They somehow remind me of tulips, and I'm as happy as a little kid. Very cool. These are my Easter eggs this year. We're going to make some more together with my kids. It's very fun and super simple. Also, check out my video on how to make a nest for Easter decor. Find the link to it on top or in the description. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit like, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments.